Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my jerk chicken using my smoking grill. So let's see what ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe. I have some mild wet jerk seasoning. I have some dry parsley flakes. I have some fine Himalayan pink salt. I have some onion powder. I also have some seasoned salt and some garlic powder. I have 4 quarter chicken legs. For my smoking grill, I have some instant lighting charcoal briquettes as well as some apple wood chips. This charcoal is supposed to light within 15 minutes. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the skin from the quarter chicken legs. It's just my preference. Once I'm done, I'm going to soak my chicken in some lemon juice, then rinse it under cool running water and set it aside. Here I have half of an onion finely chopped, a red bell pepper, some green onions, some garlic, some dry thyme. It's time to season the chicken. I'm starting off with my dry seasoning and I'm sprinkling some seasoned salt. Next, I'm covering the chicken with some garlic powder. I'm covering the chicken with the dry parsley. Next, I'm lightly sprinkling some garlic powder. I'm flipping over my pieces of chicken and I'm repeating the same steps for the seasoning. I'm using my clean hand to rub the seasoning and spices onto the chicken. I'm adding my dry thyme. I'm covering the chicken with the chopped vegetables. I'm using my clean hand to spread the chopped vegetables evenly throughout the chicken. I'm adding a few small cuts to my chicken so that I can better infuse the seasoning and spices. I'm adding a few teaspoons of my white jerk seasoning. I'm using my clean hand to rub the jerk seasoning on the chicken, and I'm making sure that I get in between the cuts. Now that I'm done seasoning my chicken, I'm going to place them in a bowl and refrigerate them overnight to cook tomorrow. If I wanted to cook them on the same day, I will refrigerate them for a couple of hours. I'm also adding the chopped vegetables and juices from the bottom of the bowl.
One eternity later.
Yes, today is the day, y'all. I have the charcoal and the apple wood chips ready. So let's see how fast this charcoal is gonna light. Oh, less than 15 minutes. While my charcoal is lightened, I'm going to go and take the chicken out of the refrigerator. I can smell the spices and the jerk seasoning. The grill is ready. I'm placing each piece of chicken onto the grill. I'm cooking my chicken covered for about an hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours. You can also use a meat thermometer. This is what my chicken looked like after I flipped it over. While my chicken is cooking, I'm going to start preparing the sauce. I have some sweet honey barbecue sauce and some jerk seasoning that I'm going to add to a bowl. I'm adding 3 teaspoons of the wet jerk seasoning to my barbecue sauce, and I'm going to mix the 2 ingredients together. My sauce is ready, so let's go check on the chicken. The chicken is ready and it has that nice golden brown color to it. So now I'm going to use my cooking brush to brush that spicy sauce onto each piece of chicken. My jerk chicken is ready and it smells amazing. The meat is very moist. And it also smells amazing, and I'm ready to chow down. Look at the color on this. Lovely. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.